filming today, and I just want to introduce to you my glam team. Hello!
Hello! Hi, everyone!
Team
50. Ouch! Isang beses mo pa ako bunggain, makikilala mo ako kung sino ako.
Ganon.
I'm Rufa Gutierrez, and I'm the new Luxskin baby.
It's time for Ms. Anna and Ms. Rufa to sign the contract. As we welcome you, Ms. Rufa.
And that's why in the beginning of the year, I started working out, and I started moving, exercising, and I prioritized my health. Always naman talaga, and I prioritized yung self-love and self-care. Pero ngayon talaga, mas dumoble pa yung effort, yung conscious effort ko to watch what I eat, bawal na masyado mag-meat, and lahat ng mga products, I love it because hindi ako nagkakaroon ng acidity. You know, as we get older, lahat tayo nagkakaroon ng acidity minsan, and then ang sarap ng juices because even after I work out, umiinom ako ng juice, ng lots ng juice sa gabi, walang acidity whatsoever, and that's what I love about it.